Okay. Hey everybody, this is Fred with Litespeed Construction. I'm standing here with Donald. We just put a Owens Corning Oak Ridge charcoal gray?
Onyx black.
Onyx black, that's what it was. My bad. Onyx black roof on this house. We just finished up. The crew did a phenomenal job. I just got done inspecting it. Everything's straight. The staggers are perfect. The nails are where they're supposed to be at. Got all new pipe boots. The whole 9 yards. So first of all, I want to say thank you. First of all, for giving us the business. That means a lot to us. First of all, how did you hear about our company?
I actually went online.
Online?
And you was one of the first I came up when I asked for the 10 best in the area.
Awesome. You heard it from him. So overall, like from the beginning to end, how was the process working with Litespeed? I mean, like, was it easygoing? Was it hectic? Or I mean, like, how would you explain to the audience, how it was dealing with us?
Very simple. I mean, you're very upfront with me when you were looking at the job. Everything you told me, you showed me.
Right.
Through either pictures or up in the attic itself.
Yeah.
So I was comfortable with the whole process from the time you came here, we talked, all the way up until scheduling, and the guys coming out here. It couldn't have been simpler for us.
Awesome, man. And like I said, when I got here, I thought my guys were still here. I was surprised to see that they were gone. So they did this roof so fast, it was crazy. And the cleanup to me looks great. I mean, you wouldn't even have known that they were here today. So were the guys polite and everything like that? Did you talk to any of them?
Oh yeah, I talked to a couple of them, and they were real nice, knowledgeable, friendly. Again, I probably couldn't ask for a better crew. Very professional.
Awesome.
So if I were to recommend another company, it would be Litespeed again.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Donald, and thank you for taking the time to do this interview.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, take care, man.